Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the vertical bar indicator for MT4. This simple yet effective timing tool automatically plots vertical lines at specific times on market sessions, helping traders visually track session opens, news hours or custom trading periods. In this video, you will see what vertical bars represent, how they improve timing awareness and which key features are highlighted. The vertical bar indicator, commonly utilized in forex trading, is a graphical representation of price activity within a given time frame consisting of a vertical line representing the price range from the highest to the lowest point, with short horizontal bars indicating opening and closing prices. In a forex chart, each vertical bar provides insight into four crucial aspects: the opening price, usually on the left horizontal bar, the closing price on the right horizontal bar, and the highest and lowest prices reached during that time frame. By analyzing these bars, traders can get a clear snapshot of price movements, trends, and potential reversals, making it an essential tool for both short-term and long-term investment strategies. You can already see how it looks on the chart. The indicator displays vertical lines at specified times, creating visual separators that mark important time-based events. Each vertical bar can be color-coded or labeled to distinguish between different sessions or time periods, improving chart organization and timing awareness. You can see this in the settings. Alright, the inputs, as you can see, we have time frame, line color, line style, line width, lines ID, and the rest of that. You can also set our preferred colors and preferred time frames as well. As for who is for, the vertical bar indicator is suitable for traders who rely on session timing, such as London or New York opens, those who trade around news events, and anyone who wants cleaner chart organization with visual time markers. Its strengths include simplicity and ease of interpretation, comprehensive information with 4 essential price points, versatility across various time frames, and trend identification insights. However, on their own, vertical bar indicators may not provide enough context for complete market analysis, may lead to misinterpretation without proper understanding, and are less effective in illiquid markets or during erratic price movements, requiring complementary tools and insights. You can download the vertical bar indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how adding precise time-based visual separators can improve timing awareness and support session-based strategies with cleaner chart structure. If you like timing tools that mark sessions and news events visually, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.